How to turn off parental control on Oculus Meta Quest 2. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off parental control on Oculus Quest 2. So for that you have to open the Meta Horizon mobile app, launch the app on the phone and navigate to Family Center, like tap menu and then Family Center, and then access parent dashboard, like tap see parents dashboard, then tap settings and then disconnect from parent, tap disconnect from parent and confirm disconnection, like review the implications and tap disconnect to confirm. And the steps for the parent to remove supervision, like access Family Center, go to familycenter.meta.com/dashboard or use the Meta Horizon mobile app, and then select the teens account, choose the account you want to remove supervision from, and then you can click remove supervision, and that's it. That's how you can turn off parental controls on Oculus Quest 2. So see you in the next video, guys.